Thank you for that warm welcome. It's an honor to be here. Today, I want to talk to you about what it really takes to turn an idea into a movement, to stay ahead in a fast-changing world, and to find purpose in the process. When I started Facebook in my college dorm room, I had no idea it would grow into what it is today. Back then, it wasn't about building a billion-dollar company. It was about solving a problem, helping people connect. But here's the first lesson I learned. Success doesn't start with a grand vision. It starts with solving a small, meaningful problem. If you're waiting for the perfect idea, stop waiting. Start now with what you have, and let the vision grow as you do. Another thing I've learned is this. The world moves fast, but your principles should remain steady. When we launched Facebook, the internet was just becoming social. We faced criticism, competition, and moments of self-doubt. But what kept us going was our belief in connecting people and giving everyone a voice. No matter how chaotic the world feels, stick to the values that guide you. They'll be your anchor in every storm. I'm often asked about my biggest regrets. One of them is not taking enough time in the early days to reflect. I was so focused on moving fast that I sometimes forgot the importance of looking inward. So here's a piece of advice I wish I'd embraced sooner. Take time to step back and think. Reflection isn't a waste of time. It's how you refine your direction. Some of my best ideas, from newsfeed to the metaverse, came during moments of quiet reflection. And let's not forget what truly matters. Whether you're running a company or chasing a dream, don't sacrifice the people and moments that make life meaningful. Balance isn't about splitting your time equally. It's about being fully present in whatever you're doing, whether at work or with your family. I want to leave you with this. The future belongs to those who build it. Don't wait for permission. Don't fear failure. Take risks. Stay curious, and never stop learning. Every day is a new chance to create, to connect, and to make the world a little better than you found it. That's what I've tried to do, and I hope you will too.